Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today we're going to be changing it up, and we're going to be building another transformer here. And today we're going to be building Transformers Generation 1 Rodimus Prime, which is a futuristic truck here. Now for those of you unfamiliar, Rodimus Prime's vehicle mode is not a real truck. It's what the makers back in the 80s imagined a futuristic Cybertron truck would look like. And he is supposed to have this pattern of flames down the side, which I tried to replicate as best I could, but at this scale we don't really have enough room for too much detail. But I am pretty proud of how it turned out. So this is what it looks like. Now let's get right into it. So we're going to start off with the front wheel. So place down a block of coal. On the side of it, a stone button, and on the inside edge we're going to do 3 mangrove top slabs coming across like this. Then another block of coal with a stone button on this side. On the front end of it, we're going to put 2 rows of 5 mangrove top slabs up here. And then on the front of this, we're going to go 5 wide of mangrove trapdoors right here. Then we're going to come behind it, and we're going to do 2 rows of 5 mangrove top slabs behind it. And then behind that, we're going to do 1 row of 5 acacia top slabs. Then behind this, we're going to move to the center only and do a 3x3 of acacia top slabs in the middle. Then behind this, we're going to go 5 wide with acacia slabs again. And we'll make it 4 long. So 5 wide and 4 long of all acacia slabs. Then behind this, we're only going to go 3 wide again in the middle. And we're going to do a 3x4 of acacia top slabs coming back. Then we'll take a block of coal and we're going to put a wheel here and then 1 wheel here. Then come to this gap, put a wheel on the middle here and 1 here. Then go through and put a stone button on all 4 of these back wheels here. And then we're going to come up on top of the front. Up here we're going to put 2 red terracotta on the side here and then 2 on this side here. On top of these trapdoors, we're going to put a forward-facing mangrove stair on either side and 3 acacia stairs in the center. Then in the middle of this, we're going to put 2 orange concrete on either side and 2 bamboo planks in the middle. Then up here, we're going to put a bamboo slab with an acacia slab on either side. Then here, a bamboo trapdoor in the middle, and then an acacia trapdoor on either side of that. Then we're going to come here, above each of these front wheels, put an upside-down mangrove stair facing outward, and behind it 2 red terracotta on each side. Also go ahead and fill this whole middle with a 3x3 of red terracotta. Then right behind these slabs, do 2 rows of 3 cyan stained glass in the middle and 3 red terracotta on the back middle. Then we're going to put a bamboo slab here and 2 rows of bamboo slabs here, like this. Then back in this corner, a single mangrove slab on either side of the back like this. And then in front of that slab on each side, we're going to put 2 mangrove trapdoors here and 2 here. Then behind this, on the bottom middle right here, put 3 red terracotta. And then behind that, we're just going to go ahead and bring that all the way across the top, 3 wide in the middle. Except when we get to the very back, the very last block will be 3 orange concrete here. Then we're going to take acacia stairs. Come on this slab here, put a forward-facing stair here, and 1 on this side. Behind it, do an upside-down backward-facing acacia stair on each side. Then an upside-down outward-facing stair. Then an upside-down forward-facing stair on either side. Make sure it's upside down. Then on here, we're going to put 4 orange concrete here, and then 4 on this side. Then behind it, we'll do an acacia stair up here, facing backwards and upside down on each side. And then we'll do an upside down outward facing stair on each side, and another outward facing stair, and then a backward stair. Same here, so an outward, and then a backward facing stair. Now we're going to come back up here, and on this corner, we're going to put 2 crimson planks right here, and 2 on this side. Then, behind that, we're going to do a line of 6 yellow concrete coming back, and 6 on this side. Then behind that, we're going to do a single crimson plank on either side. Behind that in the middle, do 3 red terracotta in the center. And then we're going to put a bamboo slab on the top of each side. Then behind this, we'll add 3 red terracotta in the middle. And then we're going to do an upside down backward facing crimson stair on either side like this. Then 3 red terracotta on this back middle like that. Then we're going to come up here on these front corners again and put a single yellow concrete on top of each front corner here and here, and 3 red terracotta in the middle. Behind that, we'll do a row of 5 orange concrete here, 5 on this side. Then behind that, a single yellow concrete on either side. And then behind that, we will do a single crimson plank on either side. So 1 here and 1 here. Then a backward facing crimson stair on each side here and here. And in between the stairs, 3 red terracotta here. Behind that, 2 rows of 3 orange concrete in the middle, then 3 red terracotta on the back middle. And then we'll come up front again. Then we're going to come on top of the front right here and do a row of 5 red terracotta across here. Then behind this, on the side, we'll do 4 yellow concrete, 4 on this side. Then behind that, we're going to do 2 crimson planks on either side of the top. And behind that, a backward facing crimson stair on either side. Then back here in the middle, we'll do 3 red terracotta here, then 3 orange concrete, 3 yellow concrete, and 2 rows of 3 red terracotta in the middle here. Just like that. Then we're going to come up front above the windows here and put a mangrove slab here and 1 on this side. Across the top here, do a row of 5 red terracotta up here. Then we'll put another mangrove slab here and here. And now we're going to do 5 mangrove stairs coming across here. Like that. And then actually on the back, we need to change this row of 3 to 3 mangrove stairs facing backwards to get the shape right. Then we'll come up here and just go ahead and fill the rest of this roof in with red terracotta. Then there's a little part that raises up on top, so take out mangrove slabs. And right here, do a 3x3 of slabs in the middle. Then we're going to come on top of the back, and we're going to put 3 acacia trapdoors here, 3 bamboo trapdoors here. And we're just going to fill all the rest of the top, wherever we can, with mangrove trapdoors. And we'll come up both sides of this, and then across the front, and back down this other side. Then he has these big exhaust pipes, so take stone brick walls, come down here, and we're going to put 2 walls here, then up to the top, then 1 here, and then a birch fence gate up there. Repeat on this side, so 2 walls here, then up to the top, 1 here, and a fence gate here. Then we'll add some detail with signs, so take out crimson signs, and we're going to put 5 signs in a row here, and then here, we're going to go to bamboo signs, and we're going to put 4 bamboo signs right here. Then we'll repeat on this side, so come over here, and we're going to put 5 crimson signs here, and then 4 bamboo signs right here. Now come up here, put a mangrove trapdoor and an iron on each side like this. Then we're going to take out acacia buttons, put 1 here and here, and 1 on this front corner here. Repeat on this side, so 1 here, then 1 here and here. Then on the back of this, on the orange concrete, a glow item frame with a redstone block on either side, and 2 acacia buttons above it on each side. Then come on this corner, and we're going to put 2 crimson slabs here, and 2 here. Just like that. So there we have it, folks. We've completed our Transformers Generation 1 Rodimus Prime Vehicle Mode. I hope everyone enjoyed this unique build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there.